see what we got. 3,000. This is probably cool. Oh, there we go. We got a 3,000 John Wall. That's nice. That's nice. That's what I wanted all day. Okay. Let's go. Oh, fuck Eric Bledsoe. I'll take it though. Good block. Big Suns fan here. I'm gonna need an ID on this track. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. I'll take a Suns play. I already have this though. $12,000. Ooh, okay. De'Aaron. It's a nice layup. Last one. Let's see what we got. LaMelo, please. Spurs. I'll take it. It's a good pack. It's a good pull.